One more time, guys. So I'm at 120. I'm at 5000 RPM. Let's see if we can go beyond 145. ऑलराइट गाइस, मौसम क्या हो रहा है यार। हैदराबाद में मौसम बहुत जल्दी चेंज हो जा रहा है। अभी थोड़ी देर पहले तो लग रहा था कि बारिश होने वाली है और अभी एकदम सूरज देवता बाहर निकला है। वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू व्लॉग गाइस। और मैं हैदराबाद के मौसम की बात कर रहा था। हैदराबाद में मौसम क्या है, बहुत जल्दी चेंज हो जाता है। कभी अचानक से बारिश जैसा हो जाएगा तो अचानक से सूरज देवता निकल आएंगे। तो गाइस ये सारी बातें तो होती रहेंगी। अब मैं बात करता हूँ टुडेज़ व्लॉग एंड टुडेज़ बाइक। आज की जो बाइक है ये रॉयल एनफील्ड की सबसे बड़े इंजन के साथ में आती है और रॉयल एनफील्ड का जो बाइक लाइनअप है उसमें सबसे बड़ा गेम चेंजर कह सकता हूँ मैं इसको। और मैं आज इस बाइक को चलाने वाला हूँ। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ रॉयल एनफील्ड इंटरसेप्टर 650 BS6 कंप्लायंट। Here it is. Okay. So guys, ये है इंटरसेप्टर 650 BS6 कंप्लायंट। लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल, गॉर्जियस, मैजेस्टिक। ये है इसका सिल्वर कलर। इट कम्स विथ 6 डिफरेंट कलर्स टू चूज फ्रॉम। So let's start with the engine. It is a 648cc air and oil cooled parallel field engine, produces 47.45 brake horsepower at 7150 rpm and 52 newton meters of torque at 5250 rpm. So basis this power figure, I feel that this bike is going to perform well on the highway as well as in the city. Talking about the fuel tank is 13.7 liter. Seat height is 804 mm, so it is a very manageable seat height. The ground clearance is 174 mm, so ground clearance in my opinion is adequate for our roads. Front suspension, it is a 41 mm and 110 mm of travel. Rear we get the gas charged twin shocks on both the sides. There is an 88 mm of suspension travel and 5-way adjustability. About the tires, both are the 18-inch tires and both gets the dual channel ABS from Bosch. Front you get the 320 mm single disc and rear you get 240 mm disc. Then you get the halogen headlights and all turn indicators are also halogen, and typical twin port instrument console. Here you get the speedometer and here you get the basic information about the fuel gauge as well as the odometer. Here this is a tachometer and all other warnings like battery, ABS, turn indicators, engine check warning. Gear position indicator nahi hai iske andar, so it just shows neutral. That's it. I don't see a hazard light switch anywhere. Okay, this is for a trip meter. Okay, so overall this is about the bike, and now let me show you how is the exhaust. This is how it sounds at the idle. This twin exhaust looks so beautiful guys. मस्त लगते हैं एकदम. The road presence of this bike is really good. All right, so this is about the exhaust, and exhaust is quite nice. So now let's see how it feels like when we ride this beautiful Interceptor 650, and this is a BS6 compliant guys. चलो अच्छी बात यह है कि इसमें मेन स्टैंड भी है. Let's go. All right, let's check now. As usual, I'll be checking the acceleration, gear shifting, clutch operation, brakes and overall handling of the bike. Let's go. And so it is a 6-speed transmission guys. I'm in the 5th gear and right now I'm cruising at 5000 rpm. I am at 110, 120 now. 6th gear, our 130, 140. These people have no idea. Oh, now I'm at 130. Okay, very good, very good. It's still very stable bike. At 130 also it is very stable. I'm getting a lot of wind blast though. Okay, now let's see the brakes. I'm at 100. Now let's see. Oh my, amazing, superb brakes, superb effective brakes, guys. What an amazing braking, yeah. Let's see the suspension. Oh, suspension setup is too stiff for my liking. Although, as I have mentioned, that the front suspension travel is 110 mm and rear is 88 mm, so there is no much space to play with. So that's the reason I feel that the suspension is slightly stiffer, and that result into a very good stability at the high speed. Now let's go again. Okay, 4000 rpm, 100 kmph, and I am in the 6th gear now. 120, 5000 rpm, 5500 rpm. I'm at 140 now. Of course, 140. Oh, so above 140 I feel that this bike is getting unsettled. Maybe because last time also I came on the same road, and because of the road's undulation, probably it is impacting the stability of the bike. But till 130 it's rock solid stable, and the brakes are just amazing, guys. यहाँ पे अपने को एक बार ब्रेक अप्लाई करने पड़ेंगे आगे. Let me just show you. Now I'm cruising at 140 again. 145. इससे आगे यहाँ पे ज़्यादा स्पेस नहीं मिलेगा अपने को. We'll have to apply brakes here, and let's see the brakes again. So I am at 100, and now 1, 2, 3. Oh man, what a brakes, yaar. Amazing brakes, amazing braking, लाजवाब braking है. Let's go one more time from here. 1, 2, 3. I'm in the 6th gear and I am cruising at 120. This time 150. There is some traffic, so I am not sure if I can go, but I'll still be trying. There is a lot of wind blast. There is a lot of wind blast. One more time, guys. So I'm at 120. I'm at 5000 rpm, and let's see if we can go beyond 145. So far I have reached 145. Right now I'm at 140. Okay, I'm still cruising at 140, guys. Whoa! Oh, shabash! Oh god! Wow, wow, wow! Again, let's see the brakes. Oh, sure. Guys, the brakes are just awesome. And now let's see. यहाँ पे exhaust. Let's go now one more time. All right, guys. All right. 120. I'm already at 140. I didn't realize that. Oh boy. Okay, 148. We have almost touched 150. I'm sure there would be somebody who can take it beyond 150 also. So this is about it. So I think the best speed to actually ride on the highway would be 120 or 130. That's the best speed I would say for this bike, and this bike is rock solid at 120 and 130 also. Maza aa gaya. I don't know how it is going to perform in the city. Let's go to the city mini where we can get decent traffic to test its performance. See you there in the city now. ऑलराइट गाइस, सो अब मैं हूँ अपने सबसे फेवरेट एरिया में दमाईगुड़ा। यहाँ पे भांति भांति के लोग और भांति भांति के ड्राइवर राइडर्स मिलेंगे, जो कि मैंने अपने काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस में बताया है कि इंडिकेटर देंगे और जाएंगे नहीं, जाएंगे इंडिकेटर नहीं देंगे, और अगर वो गलती कर रहे हैं और आपने उनको रोक के कुछ बोला तो झगड़े के लिए तैयार हो जाओ। सो बहुत सारी वेरिएशंस के साथ में दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट प्लेस टू एक्चुअली टेस्ट दिस इंटरसेप्टर 650। देखते हैं कैसा परफॉर्म करता है। सो मेन बात करूँगा, अगर सिटी के अंदर अपने को देखना है अगर इसका परफॉर्मेंस, देन विल हैव टू सी कि मुझे कम से कम गियर शिफ्टिंग करनी पड़े। अगर गियर शिफ्टिंग करनी भी पड़ती है तो गियर शिफ्टिंग स्मूथ होनी चाहिए, क्लच ऑपरेशन और एक्सेलरेशन जो है स्मूथ होना चाहिए, और ब्रेक्स तो बहुत इफेक्टिव होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि कभी भी आपको ब्रेक लगाना पड़ सकता है। तो ब्रेक्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है सिटी के अंदर। आई हैव नो आइडिया ये किधर जाएंगे अंकल। देखो असर नहीं होगा, बिल्कुल असर नहीं है। ये देखो, ये देखो, ये आगे देखो। फ़ोन पे बात करना ज़रूरी था उनको, इम्पोर्टेंट मीटिंग होगी। क्विक एक्सेलरेशन, ओह इजी। सो जैसे ही आप थोड़ा सा एक्सेलरेट देते हो, इट लॉन्चेस इटसेल्फ। लुक एट दिस, लुक एट दिस। So power is available. I can go with the specification what is mentioned on the website, that 80% of the torque is available at 2500 rpm, which is just phenomenal. ज़बरदस्त। I wish this engine is available in Himalayan also, तब तो मज़ा आ जाएगा। Let's go. वेरी गुड यार, पावर डिलीवरी ज़बरदस्त है। It is a 202 kgs bike, but you don't feel the weight, क्योंकि इसका जो सीट हाइट है it is just 804 mm, so if you are a short rider also shouldn't really be a problem. मुझे तो इसका वेट इतना ज़्यादा बॉदर नहीं कर रहा है। एंड क्विक एक्सेलरेशन टेस्ट करेंगे, देखो नाउ एंड सी, did you see how easy it is? It quickly changes the lane and immediately you can give a throttle and its response is just amazing. Quick acceleration and overtaking is just piece of cake for this bike यार। और मैंने कहा था अचानक से आपको ब्रेक लगाना पड़ेगा, ऐसे आएंगे बहुत सारे लोग। So the brakes are really good. Now we are reaching at a junction where the road is going to get narrower and we are going to get lot of traffic now. And you can lean on this bike really well. You can have lot of fun in the corners. Superb. Very good. Nice. You can have a lot of fun, yaar. It is a responsive engine, yaar. Very responsive. So far what I have tested is the quick acceleration, amazing, absolutely no problem. So the engine is very flexible and the brakes are just amazing. Clutch operation, gear shifting and acceleration all are really good, and I am so far loving this bike. All right, slow speed maneuverability भी मैंने चेक किया इसका। अभी मैं 40 पे चल रहा हूँ, I am in the 5th gear. If I get some chance I will show you how fast it can move. Yeah, you see, immediately you just ask for the power and it gives you. This is the flexibility that I am looking for a city bike. On highway it would definitely perform better. You see, immediately it launches. If you ask for a power, it gives you immediately. Look at this now, accelerator. Whoa! अरे वाह वाह वाह, मज़ा आ गया भाई। Alright guys, so now we are going back to the showroom and I hope you guys have enjoyed. Alright, we are at the showroom, Orange Royal Enfield. Chalo. So here it is guys, Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 2020 BS6. Let's go and give this key back. Chalo.